So it's been a minute since we've done a garage update.
It's been a minute.
Yeah, a little while. So we thought we would do a little bit of a talk through about what we're working on at the minute.
Yeah, we got everything going on at the moment.
We do.
We spent basically a whole weekend on my shitbox patrol and not working on these two beasts. But this car, we've got a box of goodies over there, which we're going to go through straight after this video is done. So
Nathan
I'll hurry
is
this video
absolutely chomping at the bit. He just wants to get this video done so we can get into these boxes.
Yeah. HQ, she's still where she is. The brakes, you guys probably won't have seen that yet. Brakes are all plumbed up. Brakes are working. We've got the dash back in. Not the dash in the cluster, which don't know if you guys can see that yet. No, you can see. So the dash is in.
So that's sort of what we're working with at the minute.
Yeah.
It's a prototype anyway, because we might do a few little things to it, but they're automated gauges, aren't they?
Yeah, so it's got full automated gauges throughout this car. Tin Man spent ages making the backing plates and that and making them all fit where he wanted them to. So they look sick. Yeah. That's about it, really. There's not much of an update. But there is another update. We have hoodies.
Yes, we finally have hoodies.
We have AS colour hoodies.
Do you want to go show us? They're over there.
Yeah, we'll go show you.
Finally. We know a lot of people have been asking for these for a long time.
They are AS colour, really good hoodies, digital printed. So you've got your small chest logo and then you've got your large rear logo.
Yep, so like Nate said, they're not screen printed, they're actually digitally printed. So they're not like...
They're not going to crack and stuff that you get with screen printing and stuff like that.
Yeah.
And ours have been through the war zones and ours still look pretty good.
How many months have we had ours for?
Like, I don't know, a long time. Like my side looks good on this side. This side doesn't look too good.
This is the side that doesn't protect when welding.
When I'm welding, I'm just like, sparks!
Yeah, but these hoodies, we can honestly say, are probably the most comfiest merch hoodie you can get on the market.
We got sizes from medium to 3XL, but the 3XLs we're still waiting on at the moment. They couldn't get them done. So we only did a limited run, so there's not that many. So you're going to have to be quick.
Yep.
They will be on sale from the 16th.
Yep.
Michael's looking at me like he doesn't remember.
So they will be on sale on the 16th of... What month are we in? September. They will be on sale on the 16th of September and they will be going live on our website at 6:30 PM Eastern Standard Time. I think that's what we are. Our website is www.hackshopgarage.com.au for anyone that hasn't been on it before, where you can get our merch as well as our stickers as well too. Like we said, the 3XL, there is a wait at the minute, but just because the manufacturer couldn't get them to us at this stage. We're expecting to see them around October. So if you want to order some now, you can pre-order them and then we'll just get them to you as soon as they are available. With every hoodie as well, we will be chucking in a Hackshop OG sticker.
Just a bit of a thank you.
Just as a bit of a thank you. Oh yeah, and speaking of stickers, we have... We have another sticker, a new sticker to add to the mix. So our new vinyl sticker. A little bit of a more modern, sleeker style sticker, I suppose you call it.
Yeah, I think it's sleek. Perfect.
So that should be available on the website if I've done it by now, done it correctly. Should be up, ready to go now for purchase. That's that. What else we could talk about? Oh, and the big news is we recently hit 3,000 subscribers and we are absolutely blown away by it because we honestly didn't expect to hit this mark ever, let alone now. We want to say thank you by trying to give something back. So what we thought we'd do is give away $300 Total Tools vouchers. So for your chance of winning one of these vouchers, all you need to do is pretty simple, is be subscribed or subscribe now and you will be in the runnings to win one of 3 $100 Total Tool vouchers. I do have to say though, this is not a giveaway endorsed by Total Tools or anything like that. This is just basically us. We're trying to say thank you to those of you guys that have been awesome in supporting us on the journey so far. So the winners of the raffle will be announced next week in a video that we will put up on Wednesday night. And in that video, what we're thinking of doing is doing a little bit of a Q&A about Hackshop Garage. It's been a little while since we've done one. We did one early on in the piece with the Fairlane. But we thought we would open up the floor to anyone that's got a question about Hackshop Garage, about us, about the cars, the projects that we're doing, anything that you like. Comment in this video or send us a message via Instagram or Facebook. We'll put it all together and we'll basically do a Q&A next week for you on the Wednesday, answering as many questions as we can.
We'd just like to say a big thanks to everyone for subscribing and enjoying our videos. We're going to continue doing it as long as everyone's enjoying it. And we'll see you in the next episode.
See you then.